Many of us put doctors on a pedestal believing they can do no wrong, but the truth is far more unsettling. Behind the white coat, some exploit the trust patients place in them in ways that leave lifelong scars. This is not about ordinary mistakes or misdiagnoses, it is about doctor sexual abuse and the alarming loopholes that let predators continue working, often while victims suffer in silence. Imagine trusting someone with your health, only to find they have betrayed that trust in the most intimate and violating way. Patients often cannot see the risks because society teaches us to respect and trust doctors unconditionally. Public opinion polls consistently rank doctors among the most trusted professionals, a trust that some exploit. Behind closed doors, abusive doctors manipulate, coerce, and take advantage of patients, leaving emotional and physical wounds that can last a lifetime. Understanding the loopholes that protect these doctors is crucial because it explains why predators continue harming patients while remaining in practice. Many victims pursue doctor sexual abuse lawsuits to hold perpetrators accountable, hoping to prevent future abuse and reclaim a sense of justice. 1. Blind trust in doctors enables risky behavior. Believing doctors are untouchable can be dangerous. Many patients hesitate to question advice or report inappropriate behavior, especially when doctors are seen as authority figures. Abusive doctors exploit this blind trust, often presenting themselves as caring and professional while hiding predatory actions. Every patient story of doctor sexual abuse reinforces how deeply trust can be weaponized, making it easier for predators to repeatedly target victims. 2. When hospitals and authorities turn a blind eye. Hospitals and medical institutions are supposed to protect patients, but oversight is often weak. Fear of lawsuits, reputational damage, or internal conflict can lead administrators to ignore complaints. Cases of doctor sexual abuse are particularly vulnerable, as institutions sometimes protect doctors instead of addressing harm. This silence allows predators to continue working unchecked, leaving patients exposed and traumatized. 3. Why medical boards often fail to stop abusive doctors. State medical boards are responsible for licensing and disciplining doctors, yet many operate with limited transparency. Investigations by CBS News and Consumer Reports reveal boards often protect their peers instead of enforcing strict sanctions. Doctors accused of sexual abuse may receive minimal punishment or continue practicing. Public Citizen found that nearly 38% of sexual abuse complaints do not stop doctors from keeping their licenses. A doctor sexual abuse lawyer can help victims navigate this flawed system, ensuring their cases are taken seriously and holding both the perpetrators and negligent institutions accountable. 4. Problematic doctors simply move on and continue practicing. Even when consequences catch up in one state, many doctors relocate and resume their careers elsewhere with minimal oversight. Reports from the Milwaukee Journal Sentinel and MedPage Today show hundreds of doctors moving across state lines to escape accountability. Some accused of sexual misconduct continue operating freely in new hospitals or clinics, exploiting fragmented reporting systems. A doctor sexual abuse attorney can help victims pursue claims across jurisdictions, ensuring these doctors face justice wherever they practice. 5. Even licensed doctors can put patients at risk. A medical license does not guarantee safety. Some doctors drift into areas where they lack sufficient training or oversight. Others may prioritize convenience or profit over patient welfare. Abusive doctors exploit these gaps, operating freely in environments that should be protected. Tragically, these situations can become sites of doctor sexual abuse as predators take advantage of systemic weaknesses. Victims can pursue a doctor sexual abuse settlement, securing compensation and protection while holding offenders accountable to prevent further harm. Trust in doctors is essential, but blind faith can have devastating consequences. Understanding the loopholes that allow abusive doctors to continue practicing, from institutional silence and ineffective oversight to fragmented reporting systems, empowers patients and advocates to take action. If you or someone you know has suffered from doctor sexual abuse, speaking up and consulting a professional can protect countless others and ensure that abusive doctors finally face the consequences of their actions. Grab your free case review via the link in description or pinned comment, or visit injurylawyerteam.com.